everybody and welcome to Sky Wanderer. So in this devlog I'm quite excited actually to present you the new asteroid technology that I've been working on in the past few days. So if you play the game before, you know that asteroids were quite a bit laggy, let's say, because they were done with traditional technology, you know, with game object and geometry, and I had to use a few different tricks to make them load from a distance, like batching or LOD, to having a LOD system. But it was still not perfect, even if I spent a lot of time actually working on optimization to fight the garbage collection, for example, or things like that. Sorry if I'm getting a bit too technical, but it was still, I mean, I was not really satisfied, and I had this idea actually for quite some time of this new technology that is basically 100% procedural. So I'm not using any geometry data and things like that. Actually, everything is done on the shader. So if some people are interested, I could detail that a bit more. But basically, this technology is really extremely powerful. So as you can see right now, I'm flying over the asteroid field, and there is absolutely no popping and no frame rate drop. It will load instantly, so it's really a nice perk of that technology, is that you can really fly near it at basically unlimited speed. So I can accelerate even more, and there will be absolutely no popping and no lag. So that's really amazing. And yeah, so it's really comfortable to just fly around the asteroid. And and also there is absolutely zero memory consumption. So basically, before, there was around 1 GB in the RAM and even in the graphic card, and with that techno, actually, there is absolutely no memory impact. So it's very light and very fluid. And the only drawback, obviously, is that the FPS, it's a bit more heavy on the frame rate overall. But I mean, I had to use a different asteroid mathematical function for defining the asteroid shape, because the old one was too intensive, let's say. But overall, I think the look of the asteroid is actually not that bad. It looks a bit more cartoony than before, so it's actually I like them. And also, as you can notice, before it was using wedge and corner and such, and right now it's just only voxel, basically. This is also a limitation of the technology I'm using, which is basically voxel ray tracing. So yeah, I need to use cubic voxel, but it's fine. I mean, it's a voxel game, so we are supposed to see voxel like in Minecraft. So I hope you will like the new design. I can tell you that it's really 1,000 times faster than the old one, and the FPS are very much under control. So it's only take 150 FPS, I think, around that. And the budget, because in game development we don't talk that much in FPS, but more in a millisecond, how many milliseconds it takes. And it takes like in the worst case, like around 3 milliseconds on my graphical card that is not that recent. So it's really I think it's really good. So yeah, it's really a new technology, and the transition also between the asteroid and the normal ring texture is also better. So as you can see, maybe you need to be in full screen and to watch that, but on video. But yeah, it's much better compared to before, and also, yeah, so it's really really smooth, which is quite important to give a sense of scale to the game. I think it's really nice to be able to explore the ring like that. to that people just understand that it's just not a basic static cube map basically, but really living asteroid. So let me slow down because okay. So yeah, so that's the new technology. So it's not completely over yet, mainly because there is no collision for now. But I've been doing that for the last 10 days or so, so I want to do something else. So I will just put them in the build for you to test it if you're a tester of the game, and I will wait a bit more, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks before I get back on working on collision. But it should be fine actually. The collision system, that's one of the beauty of that methodology is that the collision system will use the exact same algorithm as the rendering system, except it won't be in the shader, it will be on the application side. But yeah, so that will be really nice to reuse that. And also I fixed the fog because there was some artifact before. It was not really perfect, and I did also that small ice particle to really give a frozen look to that. But yeah, that's it. And also this methodology allow you to do some cool thing, like for example translucency. So I really try to give a translucent look to to the asteroid. As you can see, it looks better on the small one. So it's really the kind of thing you can do easily with that new methodology. So yeah, I really hope you will enjoy that. And let me finish by just doing a flyby with an actual ship. And yeah, so tell me if you are testing if your frame rate is good or not. On my computer there is no issue at all, but I would like to know with a slower computer basically. And yep, so thank you very much, and see you in the next one.